In this part of the LaTeX tutorial, we will learn how to create sections or how to create different parts of the document. For example, I'm going to first create an abstract, and because in the paper we usually write abstract at the top, so I've just begin the abstract. Okay, I'm just starting it, and exactly I will end it somewhere. I'm just ending it, and this will be shown as abstract of the paper. Okay, let's compile it. You can see that this is shown as a abstract of the paper. And last, in the second one, this will be a section of introduction. So to create the introduction section, you have to just click here. You can write the section, and in the section I can write that this is an introduction. Okay, let's compile and check it. Yes, this is shown as an introduction. Exactly, we can show it. We can create the second section, and the second section should be shown as objectives. Okay, let's recompile it to check is it working or not. Yes, you can see that it is working, and the second heading objective is created. So how we can create the subsection? To create a subsection here, for example, I am giving a subsection here about problem, then I will use the keyword subsection. Okay, this is a subsection, and I can write here problem statement. Okay, just recompile to check it, is it working the subsection or not. The subsection is created. So if you want to don't show the heading numbering of the section or the subsection, you can put a static here. When you put a static here, then the section number will not be shown. So you can see that the section number is removed from here. With this section, you can create also a part. Usually the part is used to divide some chapters or some section introduction, some section to different parts. For example, I'm going to use this as a first part, then you can use the slash part. Okay, part. Okay, sorry. This will create the first part. This will be shown as part 1. Yes, this is the part 1. Let's create any second part here. Before objective, I create the second part here, and this will be shown as a part 2. You can see that the second part is created here. Similarly, you can create a paragraph. For example, I'm using a paragraph here. I will just write a paragraph. The benefit of the overleaf is that it gives automatic option to you, and you can select from these options. These options are not available in the downloaded version, and the downloaded version give a lot of errors. There is no auto correction option there. So let's compile the code. Oh, sorry. This is converted just like a paragraph, and to create a subparagraph, then we should write a sub paragraph. Okay, let's see how the sub paragraph is shown. This paper, we want to show the sub paragraph here. You can see that this paragraph is a sub part of this paragraph. So hopefully you have learned that how to create abstract, how to create the section, the subsection. You can also create a subsection. Okay, for example, I'm going to create a subsection. Okay, Control V, I'm removing the static to show the number of the heading, and I just add subsection. Okay, and I just write something here. Let's check it how the subsection is shown. The problem statement, this is a subsection, this is a subsection, this is a subsection. We also learn about how the paragraphs are shown, how the parts are shown. Hopefully this will help you to arrange, organize your paper, your writing into abstract, into different type of section, into a part or into a chapters.